Morning guys, Tim here, instructor for Nautilus Sailing, coming to you guys live from the Abacos in the Bahamas. Over the last 15 years, we've helped over 5,000 people successfully embark on their sailing journeys. So, what are the biggest mistakes folks make when they're learning how to sail? First mistake that's really common, folks equate knowledge with skill. No matter how many YouTube videos you've watched, no matter how many books you've read, there really is no substitute for experience. Every once in a while, we get folks that show up for one of our courses thinking that they are an expert because they've watched thousands of hours of videos. That is excellent preparation, but the reality is you have to have the actual hands-on experience. Second mistake is folks assume that just because they have earned formal certification, they are now an expert. The reality is, you will earn formal certification when you've met certain basic skills. This is a great start, but are you an expert just because you have a piece of paper that said you've earned sailing certification? Not really. You really need experience on the water. To get that confidence, you got to spend a lot of time sailing around the world in different conditions on different kinds of boats. The next misconception that we often see is that people treat the course as a one-time, one-and-done experience versus thinking about it as a progression or a journey. The reality is, on your sailing journey, the course is the first step. After that, there's going to be a lot of other steps to take you from zero to confident sailor. You can't just look at it as a single course and then you're done. It's the start of a journey, and you're going to have to put in the time and gain the experience to truly become competent and confident. Another mistake people often make when they're learning how to sail is they let their pride get in the way, and they are scared to show that they're learning, to try things, and to make mistakes. There's something about us as humans that we want to be in charge, we want to be confident, and often we're not willing to put ourselves out there. The reality is, when you're learning how to sail, you're going to make mistakes, you're going to fail. That's how you learn. We all learn far more from our mistakes than we ever do from doing it right the first time. So be willing to grab the helm, try a tack, try a jibe, try things that you're not comfortable with, and in that process, you're going to learn, you're going to grow, and that's how you become truly competent.